Welcome to my ipsy unboxing where it's $12 a month. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up and comment if there was anything you liked or you got anything different in your box. Let's get started. The first thing is this bag. It is silver, has green, it has a little zipper, and it's green on the inside. And the card says, "Shine on, sprinkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in. Bring all and finding our light. It's time to celebrate how we've come so far." And it's for December, and it shows star-studded with the band, prize pin, and then it says just add a little bit of sparkle. The first item that I got was this, the Perla's Perfect BB Cream SPF 30. Oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage. Matte meets glow finish for all skin types and even sensitive. It's 0.24 fluid ounces. Shade is light medium. Second item that I got was New Honey Look Into My Eyes Renewal and Pro Bliss Eye Mask Leave On Absorbing Treatment, and it's an 8 milliliter, which is 0.27 ounces, and it's from Denver, Colorado, and it's formulated in the USA. The next item that I got was this. It's kind of cool. It's called Believe in Truth 10 milliliter, which is 0.33 fluid ounces. The True Cream Moisturizing Balm, clinically proven to retain moisture for dermatology tested. It's up to 26 hours. And on the back here it says, apply evenly to face and neck for external use only. Avoid direct eye contact with eyes and keep out of reach of children. The next item that I got was called Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. It is in the net weight 1 gram, which is 0.035 ounce, and the back of it has #clay powdered at Tarte Cosmetics, and it has a website. And then let's see what it looks like on the inside. It is like this. It's like this. It's like a little compact. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. On the inside, it looks like this. It's in a bronzing type shade, and it is in Park Avenue Princess is what the color's called. It's more browner off camera, but in the camera it's a little more brown, but it's got that little shimmer in it, and it's pretty cool. It comes in this little comic you can put in your purse. And the last thing that I got came in this bubble wrap thing. Let's see what we have inside. So let me open it up and show you what we got. The last item from my ipsy bag is, if I can pull it out without destroying, I got myself Fluid. That's the brand, Fluid 10 milliliter nail polish. It is in the color Strut 7 Free Fluid.us. And if you can kind of see, it tells you all the ingredients, and it's made in China. And Strut looks kind of like a bluish, shimmery color. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and give it a smashing thumbs up. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.